Good morning, Geronimo. This is Mr. Guzman. Unfortunately, today I'm having difficulties starting my camera. So, we will work on IEP goal number 3, Mathematics Accepted by Committee Academic. Objective 2. By the end of 18 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Geronimo will sort basic shapes by size, big and small, with 70% accuracy. IEP Goal 3, Big and Small Worksheet. Please put the date and your name. In this activity, each box has a big shape and a small shape. Read each question and answer. Let's begin with the first box. There's 2 triangles. You will circle the big triangle. The second box, there are 2 circles. You will circle the big circle. The third box, there are 2 squares. Circle the small purple square. On the fourth box, there are 2 yellow rhombus. Circle the small yellow rhombus. On the fifth box, there are 2 dark orange rectangles. Circle the small rectangle. On the last box, there are 2 blue ovals. Circle the big oval. Upon completion, please take a picture and upload it to your IEP channel on the conversation box under the link provided for today. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me or Ms. Carrillo for help. Thank you and have a great day.